If you've stumbled upon reviewdollar.com and seen their bold promise of handing out a $250 Dollarama gift card just for completing a few simple tasks, you're probably intrigued and rightly skeptical. On the surface, it sounds like an incredible deal, earn a generous gift card with minimal effort. But as the saying goes, if something sounds too good to be true, it usually is. And reviewdollar.com definitely raises some serious questions. Many users have pointed out that the $250 gift card claim feels misleading and overly exaggerated, and the website itself leads you through shady, redirects and relentless pop-ups that quickly become frustrating and suspicious. Adding to the unease is the complete lack of any real customer support or verifiable company details, which is a big red flag when you're trusting a platform with your personal information. Without clear contact info or transparency, it's hard to know who's behind the site or what they truly intend to do with the data they collect from users. While some people do complete the tasks, hoping to cash in on the promise, the absence of proof or user testimonials showing actual payouts only fuels the suspicion that this could be a scam designed to gather personal details rather than deliver any real rewards. The whole experience leaves you wondering if it's worth the time and effort or if it's better to steer clear. So if you're considering reviewdollar.com, take a moment to think twice, because the risks might outweigh the potential benefits here, and protecting your personal information should always come first.